And boom, we back, and we about to go check out some sick waterfalls. Give you guys a little shot of where we're at right now. Absolutely gorgeous. It's so green and beautiful, almost to the point where it doesn't look real. So give you guys a little look-see. I'll do my best in post-production to make these colors look the way that they do, but I'm sure it doesn't do justice of just absolutely green. This all is. Courtney's coming back from the restroom. She's looking absolutely amazing. Real good. She's trying to avoid me right now, I think, or maybe she just doesn't see me. I don't know, but here she comes. Lady of the hour. Look at that fine dime right there. Wow. Why do you look at the trees, babe? Wow. No way they're that big. That's a freaking dinosaur. So they're supposed to have super big salamanders here, and we just saw one. Well, not a real one, but like a object one. And if they're that big, oh my gosh, they're like miniature dinosaurs. But I'd be stoked to see one in person. So fingers crossed that we get to see a little slimy critter, but this is absolutely beautiful so far. Come sail away, come sail away, come sail away. Possible objects that we're gonna have to avoid: rock slides, tree debris, and oh no way! Look at that. What did you just look at? Such a sick cliff diving spot. Well, this is definitely a highlight.
Yeah.
This is gorgeous.
So happy we came here.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
This is awesome to be back in nature.
Yeah.
With like water, beautiful trees, lots of greenery, the shrubbery. So hard looking at these and not wanting to go jump off and go do tricks. And looking at this, it just looks like the most like perfect slide ever going down. That would be a blast, but no go. You're not in the shop. It's all aimed to the right. Wow, look at the moss. Just made it to the top of the hike. I wish there was something more scenic up here, but made it. Colorado people, of course, killed it. That was, yeah, very casual. And Courtney's looking just oh so fine, as usual, you know, even after pushing and ripping, just 10 out of 10. Well, I think I might end the video there for today, guys. Glad that I could take you on this hike and you guys got to see how beautiful the forest is here in Japan and the river. So anyway, love y'all. Catch you on the next one. Peace.